Hello, let's learn English with Zenek. It's gonna be fun. Let's go! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to speak English more confidently in real life situations, at work, with friends, or when traveling, this lesson is for you. Today, we're doing a 5-minute conversational English lesson where you'll learn common everyday phrases, how native speakers actually talk, and how to respond naturally. So grab a notebook, relax, and let's start. Let's begin with greetings and small talk. These are the first words we use when we meet someone. When using common greetings, instead of always saying, "Hello, how are you?" try these instead. "Hi, how's it going?" "Hey, what's up?" "Good morning, how have you been?" The question of "How's it going?" does not need a long answer. Here are some natural responses you can use. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" "Pretty good." "Not bad." Now you may ask yourself, how do I continue a conversation? Let's learn how to keep the conversation flowing. Native speakers often ask simple follow-up questions. A few useful questions you can ask are: what do you do? What do you do? Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Here are some natural follow-up responses. Instead of stopping, you can say, "Oh, really? Oh, really? That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. How about you? How about you?" When expressing your opinions politely, how do you do that? Let's talk about how to share your opinion in a natural and polite way. Instead of saying something very direct, native speakers soften their opinions by using opinion phrases such as "I think," "I think," "I feel like," "I feel like," "in my opinion," "in my opinion." Now, let's look at some natural responses in agreeing. "I agree." "I agree." "Exactly." "Exactly." "That's true." "That's true." Now, we also need to know how to say no politely. "I see your point, but." "I see your point, but." "I'm not sure about that." "I'm not sure about that." "Maybe, but I think." "Maybe, but I think." Notice how polite that sounds. That's conversational English. Now, let's put everything together in a real life conversation.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm good. What are you up to these days?
I'm working a lot, but I'm learning English in my free time.
Oh, that's great. How's it going so far?
It's challenging, but fun.
I agree. Practice really helps.
Common mistakes. Never say, I am agree. Instead, say, I agree. I agree. Never say, I very like it. Instead, say the correct form, I really like it. I really like it. Now, remember, English doesn't have to be perfect. However, being clear and confident results in perfect grammar. Before we finish, here's your practice challenge. Write a short conversation using one greeting, one follow-up question, and one opinion phrase. Say it out loud and record yourself if you can. Listen to it and correct yourself where necessary. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment. I'm practicing conversational English. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.